This is a tutorial on micro photography, composition, and looking for those little hidden gems in nature. So it's snowing out today, and it's very cold, so the whiteness against the color and the contrast is really interesting. So I found this photo that I think is super cool because it is this is because it has an icicle, but this is how you bring up the exposure. So when you're doing micro photography, you want to be bringing up. So you click on where you want to focus and then you bring up that highlights and exposure, and that takes a really interesting photo, especially against a crisp background. So I want to get this really gorgeous icicle. So I'm basically taking it where I want to focus, and this is zooming in. So we can do right there. So then we grab where we want to focus and we bring it up. I think I might be a little bit too close, so I'm going to pull out a little bit so that we're trying to get that icicle as our focal point. So clicking on the icicle, pulling up the highlight, and then I'm taking my picture when I think it's good. So I'm going to focus on the icicle, pull up my highlights, and take the photo. I'll try it on a couple different views since this beautiful winter day in spring has given us this nice background. Yeah, so I am just playing and doing a couple different photos until I get the right one, and I'm just adjusting my highlights. You can get it way exposed like this. What is that? Weird, right? Actually, that is really weird. And pull up this exposure. So you get a really abstract photo that way. All right.